Well, good morning there, my Soaring Eagle fans. Hello there, Soaring Eagle fans. Well, hello there, you Soaring Eagle fans. Welcome to another short video here at the beginning of 2026. We're about January 15th here. And what we're going to do today is be installing a couple of radios into two trucks for a client out of Kamloops. They're going to be down here later today, and we'll install a radio. They belong to the Kamloops SRD K9, so that's Search, Recovery, and Detection group, using K9 dogs, a recovery team. And we're going to be installing some radios into two of their trucks. One of the trucks will be a 2020 Chevrolet Tahoe, so we'll figure out how to get a bracket into that one. Try and get some video clip on getting that installed. And the other truck will be a 2003 Dodge Ram, a 3500 truck. And we'll put one of these Icom radios into each one of those trucks. And the group that we're doing this for, they're a team out of Kamloops. Now it's a non-profit organization. It's all the work and stuff that they do is all on a volunteer basis. And just going to go through a couple of little clips here. I'll put a link in the description down below that you can do some research on them. They're called the SRD K9s, so K9 for dog search. And instead of being called a search and rescue team, they're a search and recovery detection team. So they're looking for bodies after the fact. And you know, it's probably a huge part of the research, the search that they do. And here's just a couple of pictures of some of their K9s. I don't have them all on here. And again, like, I'll post a link down below that you can get a hold of this organization, whether you need their assistance or maybe even would like to volunteer for them in as far as funds goes, because they're a non-profit organization. And all the team members do this on a volunteer basis. They're a great group of people, and all have background and training in search and rescue and all kinds of medical expertise, emergency, ambulance care, all that kind of stuff. So they come with a lot of credit as far as that goes. A couple more dogs there, Asher, Stella, Rip. At first I thought that was Rest in Peace or whatever, but I think Rip is actually the dog's name. It's not Rest in Peace. And then some of the education that they do, some rental options and all that kind of information, I'll leave on a link below for this team. So for Casey Communications, what we're doing is we're installing some radios into their rigs, and they'll also have some handheld portables when they're out doing some search duties and stuff. And so we volunteered to do some installation for them and give them a great resource of communicating with each other when they're out in the backwoods and different areas and stuff. And then just a couple more links on their homepage. Some of the searches that they've done is posted on their link as well, which is posted on their Facebook media page. So you could do some research on that as well, the kind of work that they do. And then they have a page for donations and such. So if you're willing to want to donate and help this group out, that'd be great. So anyway, I'm just going to go outside and have a look and see what the weather's like, and get ready for the day, and maybe get two of these radios installed into these two trucks. The 2020 Chevrolet, it's a Tahoe, and then the 2013 Dodge Ram. So if we can get those done today, it's a beautiful sunny day outside, so let's go have a look and get on with the show. Thanks again for tuning in to Soaring Eagle. I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and maybe like and subscribe and pass it on to your friends. Thanks. Catch you later. Well, here we are. It's a beautiful day outside. It's about 11 degrees and blue skies all around. Can't complain with that. T-shirt weather, 11 degrees Celsius that is. Snow up in the mountains, so a good place for it. And we'll wait for the two trucks show up, and we'll get these radios installed for the SRD group, search and rescue out of Kamloops, or not search and rescue, search and recovery. I keep getting that R as a rescue thing, but it's actually recovery. And we'll get two of those installed today. I'll probably get video images of one of the trucks. The other one we'll have to do really quickly because they're in a hurry to get out of here before it gets dark and get through the mountain pass back home to Kamloops, and want to stop off and have some dinner along the way. So we'll get these radios installed here today. And again, thanks a lot for following along. I'll post a couple of clips. Won't be a very long video this time, but nonetheless, we'll get something on there of information, and hopefully you'll like it. Thanks again. Here we've got a GMC Tahoe and Chevrolet Tahoe, I guess. The bracket that we're using on this one is an AT12, and it seems to fit in the location there quite well. There was another bracket that was suggested, but I couldn't get it to fit. Just had the wrong overall bending on the fender here. So let's just drop this down and see how that goes. Perfect. So that's going to work for us. I like it. Fits on there good. So for any future Tahoe truck owners, you can use that bracket that I showed earlier. What was that? AT12.
Rise above the storm, run and not grow weary. In His love we're reborn. Strength will be renewed as we wait upon the Lord. We'll soar like eagles forevermore. When the world feels heavy and dreams fade away, I cling to His word.